Hey everybody and welcome back. So today we will be filming my second update to my project polish. So I unfortunately did not finish any polishes this month, but I did make progress on a couple of the polishes I wasn't expecting to even use. So that's something. So I didn't do a lot of nail art. The one thing I did do, I'll post a picture of for you guys to see. I was super uninspired and super lazy, so I just kind of kept taking off and putting on the same color over and over, and that color was actually the dusty color I rolled in last time, which is what Suzanami. I'll have to hold it up to see. So we were all the way at the top this time, and the only way we could actually see that is if I took the brush out. And now we're down here, so I did make really good progress on this, especially considering it was brand new to the project. And the good swatch of that is right there. It is super bright spring red. It actually kind of matches my lipstick. So that's the progress we made on this one. The two I did not use, which we'll go over right now, and then we'll kind of go on to the more exciting things. I did not touch Zelda at all, so we're staying at the same progress line. And I also did not touch Diamond Theory, so also still right there. It's kind of hard to tell with Diamond Theory though, because of all the chunky glitter pieces. Just didn't use either of these. I'm probably going to use this tomorrow or the next day, maybe. My toes do need to be painted. I just haven't gotten around to that recently. And then this is actually what's on my nails right now with a matte top coat. And we are now down here. I used this twice this last month because most of the time I was just using that ebates polish, but I used it for one application on my fingers and toes, and then one on just my fingers, which is what I got right here. So it's consistent progress, and I'll try and use this a little more in the time to come. The matte top coat makes it a little bit more interesting. At least I think so. Then the two that I wasn't expecting to get any use out of, that I actually think I got more use out of than any of the other ones maybe, are these two. So this is Fazia. Still don't know if I'm saying that right. And we were up here and now we're down here. So I used this as a stamping polish, and that's why we used up so much of it. And that's what I used with my nail art, which I made little copper monsters on my nails with the ebates as a base coat. And then this was kind of like portal lines, I would explain it as. What am I doing with my hands? I don't know. It looked really, really cool though. So now we're down there, and honestly I did not expect to touch this, so any progress is better than no progress. And then with the copper, which is Zoe, we are here now. Like I said, I used this to make little copper monsters on my nails, and I thought it was really cute. And that's more progress than I thought I was gonna get. So that's something good. I might try and finish Zoe off by next update, because I think it's the one I have the most progress on. So I think it might be beneficial to try and use this one up and then maybe roll something in. I'm not sure on that. I kind of want to have consistent progress across the board. I do need to use Diamond Theory at least once, because I haven't touched it and I need to. This is getting super thick and hard to use, so I need to just use it up. Maybe sponge it on the nails or something. So I think we're going to try and use both of these slightly more this next update and see where we can go. Other than that, I'm not really unhappy with my progress. Like, I do think I do wish I used Zelda once more, because I haven't touched it this last month, but I'm kind of savoring it, because every time I do paint my nails with it I don't want to take it off, And since starting this, I've been painting my nails more frequently, so it's a lot harder to take things I really like off my nails. So maybe I might try and try using Zelda on like my work weeks where I need it to last for like 6 days in a row, and we'll see how that works. Because basically I've been painting my nails like every 2 to 3 days. So I've been working through polish a little bit quicker, although I've been giving my nails more time to breathe this month than I was last month. So that is also maybe a contributor. But I think I'm rambling now, and I think it's just time to go. So thank you for watching this video. If you haven't seen my updates or the intro to this video, I will link it above so that you can see all my progress so far. And I will see you guys next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.